So this is the Husqvarna 225L that I have for sale. It's a straight shaft commercial unit. It can easily run a blade. It's got multiple attachment positions here for different strap locations. It's got an easy toolless adjustable handle. All of this is insulated with rubber. It's a low vibration unit. It runs on mixed fuel, and it is a full crank commercial trimmer. I believe these trimmers run around $500 to $600 brand new, but I'm only selling it for a fraction of that price. So we'll get it started here and just show you how it runs. As you can hear, it runs pretty good. Rev it up. Set it off. Got this switch here, and that's everything.